In this recording in our series of templates, we're going to be using the template that I created in my last recording. Now, there are several places that you can actually use this template. Well, let's first go into the operation itself. I'm going to go into Pocket, which is the template I created, and we can go to the option on top where it says Template and Load Template. Click on this icon, and you can see all the different Pocket templates I created for Pocket. And you can see the one that I created called Test Poc 16. I'll click on OK. And now you can go through here and see that everything that I had created in that template is now inside this template as well, including the offsets, the tool that I added in over here. Everything is over here. All I have to do is choose my geometry. In this case, let's just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose this floor as my geometry. And that's all I have to do. The levels are automatically taken now from the Pocket, and all I need to do is do save and calculate. Working very quickly and efficiently without having to make anything new inside the operation. Of course, the operation itself is just like any operations, and if I do want to make changes, I can easily make changes to any of the values that I want over here if they're slightly different than I wanted in the template. Now, another place to use templates is as follows. If I go into my part settings and I go to template, I can go to my Pocket, click on that, and choose a template that I want to have automatically when my operation opens. For example, I'll choose what I did before, and now when I choose the Pocket operation, it will already open up with the tool, with the technology that I had put in the template. All I need to do when I open up this operation will just add my geometry and maybe set my levels. In my next recording, we'll take a look how to use the drag and drop templates.